Aditi, once again, welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you. Hi, guys.
And we are running this segment which is called Fashion Tag.
Fashion tag.
Alright, we will start with the questions.
Fashion is comfortness for me because if you're comfortable in whatever clothes you're wearing, I think that's fashion. You can pull it off well. It's good
Right.
to go. I think I'm a very casual person. I don't like dressing up too much. Even for a big party or anything, I don't know. I prefer more of like simple things rather than wearing all that tadak bhadak full earrings and matching bracelets and everything. I am not that person. I would still prefer my comfort if I'm comfortable wearing not average sized heels, and if my ears are not hurting, I'll wear earrings. Otherwise, I won't even wear any earrings.
Okay.
Majorly, I have a lot of black and whites and loose tops and some minis like these, and which I really prefer. Like बहुत गर्मी हो गया है, so I wear these mini crop tops and wear little loose pajamas or plazos or ripped jeans with that. So I think that is majorly. I think what would it be? Okay, so see
Mama
my
has to
mama,
remind you.
because I think I've already told you that
Yes.
my mom
Yes.
shops for me majorly, so I don't really see the price tag क्या है मुझे पसंद है मम्मी ले लो.
Okay.
So it is like that. So the one I wore at Gold Awards, that gown my mom bought from Delhi. So that's, I think, the most expensive designer dress I have. A month, I think it would be more than like 10-15K, because online shopping and but the good part is majorly like this is the half thing, then other half set of clothes I receive as a gift, so as collaborations, as gifts. So I think half of the clothes are from half of the clothes are gifts and half my mama brings to me.
That comes to a lot of them. Alright.
Majorly, I'm shopping online on, I don't know, Shein is not paying me though, but Shein. Online, and then there is 2-3 other brands, and majorly I go to this, क्या नाम है, Malad wala Inorbit, I think. I go to this mall and shop from there, H&M and Zara and everything.
Okay.
I really like a simple look, of course, because I prefer my comfort first. So if I'm not comfortable in anything, I won't wear it. And even if that dress is very elegant and everything, I'm sure it's pretty comfortable for me. That's why I'm wearing it. Otherwise, I won't. Zara, I use Zara a lot. And I like Delhi wala Zara a lot, because Bombay Zara mein collection is okay, not as good as Delhi and Chandigarh.
Alright.
I don't know. Nothing.
Anything specific?
Nothing as such. I like loose and simple clothes. I don't know. Nothing else for it I can remember.
No? Okay.
I don't really wear accessories, so I think if only if I have to, then I'll wear a nice watch or a bracelet, and like a bracelet that very simple, sleek, and it's a simple one. Diamond earrings or studded earrings, or otherwise at max a small bali
Okay.
at max, or shoes and maybe belt if required,
So not
or
much
cap.
into accessories.
Yeah.
Alright.
Right now I'm wearing these camouflage pants with a simple white or black t-shirt with white or black shoes, whatever. So that is like my favorite thing.
Alright.
Yes, it has, and I'm like कोने में फटाफट से washroom भागो और सही करो.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you react? I mean, was it a very...
It was not very public, and it was like not that bad, just like
instant
a
react?
strap pulled off, and I'm like, my friend is like, dude, let's go to the washroom. So I have backups.
Alright.
Shoes. Definitely. I love shoes, and the worst part about me is that if I like one pair of shoes a lot, I'll wear them everywhere, anywhere, and with everything. And till I'm just done with them, I'll keep wearing them. For example, I have these white shoes I wear every day, everywhere. I don't know, I have this thing for them since I don't know 2-3 months. So I'm not letting them go at all. I should be just done with them, but I'm not getting done with them. So I'm like, एक और पेयर ले ली मम्मी वाइट शूज़ का. सो शी इज लाइक यू ऑलरेडी हैव इट. तो वो तो मेरा फेवरेट है, वो तो मैं पहन ही रही हूँ. सो I think stripes. I love stripes as well. So I have like 4-5 jumpsuits of almost same pattern, and
Right.
some dresses of same pattern, stripes. I don't think so they're ever gonna go out of fashion. I think it's a small black dress. I think वो सबके पास ही होती है, black mini dress जो हर पार्टी में चल जाती है, और इसको कुछ कुछ करके एक्सेसराइज कर सकते हो आप. Then there is a white plain top which you can pull it off with anything in the world, with the skirt, with the jeans, with ripped jeans, with the dungarees, with I don't know, anything and everything. White top is like.
Okay.
Then I think ripped jeans.
Alright.
It is a must-have. Okay, so I love Kylie's fashion sense and everything, but I'm sure I cannot match that. But I love Kylie's closet, like it's dreamy. Ranveer Singh, man, I love his fashion, and I love how crazy and how open he is about it. Like wearing tiger prints all over. It's
quite
like
cool with everybody.
it's very cool, and it won't look good on everyone. But how he pulls it
Yeah.
off is amazing. And then Sonam Kapoor.
Okay.
So I love her fashion sense as well, because even she's like, I dress for myself, so it's lovely. I'll grab one old gown or dress which I wore like when I was 16-17, because I still fit. So तब तक का किसी को याद नहीं होगा. So there you go. A wedding, I'll just mix and match some crop top with a lehenga or maybe something like that, and I'll just mix match things and pull it off. A dinner party, I'll just wear a very simple dress, or probably I can, if it's a very simple, not very formal dinner, then I'll just wear some casuals and go. An interview, if it's with somebody big, like, maybe it's like something like TEDx, as you saw. So I'll definitely wear a smart two-piece set or something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
On my first date, a very cute, simple dress, a very floral or maybe pinkish or white colored dress with, very decent, simple shoes, or very simple, sleek and very cutish thing. Family get-togethers are तब फिर मेरी मम्मी चूज कर रही होती है यार, because she's like, मेरे रिश्तेदार आ रहे हैं तो ऐसे बन के जाएगी. I don't have a say in that. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है, निकाल दो, जो कपड़े बोल रहे हो वो पहनने पड़ेंगे, because I think that must be happening with you as well. When you're going out with your own friends, you can wear whatever you want to wear, but when your mom is there, when your mom के रिश्तेदार are there, then she'll be like, ये पहन के जाएगी तो मेरे दोस्तों के सामने, ये पहन के जाएगी तो मेरे. She is very particular about all that.
Alright, what about the awards?
Are you gonna slap me after that? Award show, yeah, that too depends totally. You know how award shows are these days. So I wish fashion and all was as simple as it was in the earlier days, but now it is all the way like good brands, red carpet, too much glamour and everything. I wish it was simple, but now that you have to, then I think I'll just contact my salary and say, bro, परसों fashion वाला एक award है तो क्या जुगाड़ कर सकते हैं. So I am that kind of person. End moment पे अच्छा जा रहे हैं, चलो ready करना है कुछ तो. Totally casual, my favorite set I would definitely wear, because that's what I'm wearing these days. I love it so much that I'll just wear some cool casual pajamas with fitted top, and I'll just wear a cap on my, like a typical cap on my head, and I'm like, chalo bhai, chalo.
Alright, Aditi, I hope you enjoyed playing this segment
Yes,
with
I
us.
did, and I hope you did too. I hope your fashion sense might be somewhere near. So I hope you enjoyed as well.
Okay,
Lots of
thank
love.
you so much. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Aditi Sharma and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.